Welcome. Our oceans are crisscrossed by invisible highways. As countless marine species undertake incredible journeys, migration's essential for their very survival. Understanding these voyages is no longer just a matter of scientific curiosity. It's a cornerstone of effective global conservation. Today, technology is leading the charge, revolutionizing how we protect these vulnerable populations through advanced marine species migration atlases. Historically, tracking marine life was a monumental task, often relying on basic methods. But now, a suite of sophisticated technologies offers unprecedented insights. Satellite telemetry is a game-changer. Miniaturized tags, suitable for everything from giant whales to smaller turtles and fish, allow researchers to follow animals across entire ocean basins in near real time. These tags don't just send location data. They often transmit environmental details like water temperature and depth, painting a vivid picture of an animal's journey. Complementing this is acoustic telemetry, especially vital in coastal areas. Networks of underwater acoustic receivers act like listening posts, detecting tagged animals as they pass. This creates detailed movement maps within specific zones, crucial for species that don't surface often or are too small for current satellite tags. It helps us understand how animals use specific corridors, or if they stick to certain sites. Then there's the integration of biologging sensors with these tracking devices. Modern tags can record an animal's heart rate, acceleration, feeding events, and even capture video. This gives us a direct window into their behavior and how they cope physiologically during migration, helping us understand the energy they expend and how environmental shifts might affect them. The real magic, however, happens when we combine this data. Marine species migration atlases are powered by big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. The sheer volume of information from widespread tracking needs advanced computational tools. AI algorithms can spot complex movement patterns invisible to us, predicting migration routes, identifying unknown congregation areas, and assessing how factors like sea temperature, currents, and human activities impact these journeys. Machine learning models continuously refine these predictions as more data flows in. Cloud computing platforms are the backbone for managing these immense datasets. They allow researchers, conservation groups, and governments worldwide to store, process, and share information, fostering a united front in marine conservation. Many of these platforms host interactive atlases, where users can visualize migration tracks and overlay them with environmental and human impact data. Emerging alongside these is environmental DNA or eDNA analysis. By detecting genetic traces animals shed in the water, scientists can infer species presence along migratory paths without even tagging them. A powerful, non-invasive tool, especially for elusive species. The impact of these technologically advanced atlases is profound. They are key to identifying critical habitats, breeding grounds, feeding areas, migratory corridors that urgently need protection. This evidence underpins the creation of marine protected areas and informs smarter fisheries management to reduce bycatch. These atlases also provide vital data for understanding and predicting how climate change will affect species distributions and migration timings, allowing for proactive conservation. Of course, challenges remain. We need better tag longevity, smaller and cheaper tags, and more reliable data transmission from the deep ocean. Addressing data gaps for understudied species and remote regions is also critical. Continued investment in research, international collaboration, and open data principles are key. In essence, the fusion of technology into marine species migration atlases marks a new era in ocean conservation. By turning raw tracking data into actionable intelligence, these dynamic tools empower a global effort to safeguard migratory marine species. The journey is long, but with technology as our guide, the path forward is clearer than ever.